Hi guys, my name is Millie and I'm here to tell you about my new guided experience. So what this experience will be is an guided art experience where I will be walking you through the creative process for making an artistic piece. So we'll be toking and talking about what we're doing, why we're doing it, what our thoughts are, our ideas, the weather, probably not the weather, I don't know, anything. So the mediums we'll be using will be primarily acrylics, watercolors, and digital art. Art is really important to me because it is just this awesome universal language. It has this powerful ability of creating connections between people and becoming a form of communication that exists on a level that is just entirely its own. And it's really important to me to incorporate this aspect of art so that this is just as much about creating connections with each other as it is about making and learning about art. Here are some examples of kind of what to expect. If you would like to follow along, I will be providing information on where you can get supplies if you don't already have them on hand. And if you don't want to follow along, there's absolutely no pressure to. You can always just kind of watch, sit back, join in on the conversation if you would like, but if you wouldn't, I mean, that's your choice. This is a very flexible experience, so it's whatever you want it to be for you. So yeah, come get high with me, and I can't wait to get creative with you.